got this new trimmer. We got a freebie string. We got the charger CH2100. I have this guard or protector, and this is the handle. Oh, so it come in as folded. Okay, and it comes in with preloaded string to double. I don't want to remove it. It has a bump action to release the string. Now it has the BA 1400T battery, which is only 2.5 AH. My lawnmower is 7.5. My old lawnmower is 4 AH, and they're all exchangeable, standard for Ego, so they will fit each other. Of course, the 2.H will not last long on, how do you call this, lawnmower. So while I'm mowing the lawn, we will charge this. I think this is better lying down like that. Okay. See the flash? And it has two. I think that's 20%. King green, meaning it's loading. If there's no juice at all, I guess it will be red. Once charged, fully loaded, if the blinking green stops. There's really not much to assemble here. Let's see if we have, okay. We have this screw. Okay, got the screw and the hex. Now let's put this guard. It has this screw already, and it will go like this. There, you see it? This trimmer is the 15-inch. This is 15 inches total. There's 16 inches. I don't need 16 inches. This is good for me. This will make it longer. That's the maximum, and this is the minimum. High, if I go like this, and low is fine. I guess the high will consume too much battery. Now, similar with the other Ego, this is to release the battery. I don't have the battery fully charged. I have to fully charge it first before using it, but I can use the lawnmower battery. They are interchangeable. I have to install this, so I have to remove this. Oops, there. Okay, the manual says I have to push this. Yeah, there you go, all the way. There. This is to lock. has to go this way because it's rounded on this side. There. There. Let me get the wing nut. Okay. Let me tighten it. Just right. There. More. Okay. The battery is still charging. This is my old lawnmower battery. I can use this. It's just heavy. Of course, you can use this. It's interchangeable. Okay, I'm gonna push it. See, release. It has all these 3 or 4 which matches this. So that's the beauty of buying one system. I know there are other brands, not just Ego, but one system will allow you to interchange the battery. It's a select. You just cannot press this. You have to go like this and press. Okay. So I'm in low. It says here, rotate. Oh no, it did something else. Okay, I accidentally removed the string. Okay. You have to go here. The other one to go through here. Oh man. I have to hold it. Okay, you know what? I have to remove it. How do I remove it? I kind of struggle to do it the old way, but this one has a self-winding. All I have to do is insert from one eyelet here and go to the other one. And then I just need to kind of make it same length. So it's same length. And I guess I'm just gonna insert one here. And then the other one here. Okay, let's see. It's first time doing it. Accidentally I released it. So I just need to put it back. Okay, let me. Okay, that's it. I'm pressing it lightly. There you go. And I can just easily adjust it to the trimmer. Yeah. So after all those demo, this one is loaded. It's way smaller. This is the lawnmower battery, and this is the trimmer. See the size difference, the thickness as well, and this is much heavier. This one is good for the trimmer.